Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 1964 Lincoln Continental. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium and it's from the Matrix movies. So, looks like a nice casting. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 64 Lincoln out of its box. And if you don't know about premiums, they usually have better details, metal base, rubber tires, nicer paint. That's what we see here. So this is finished in black. It's obviously lowered slightly. You can see the wheels. Wheels actually look nice, look like the chrome wheels you usually see on the older cars with a set of rubber tires which are white wall, which again looks nice. Now starting from the front, in the front you got a painted detailed headlamp with the chrome grille. You also got both the windshield wipers, no mirrors. You also have the chrome trim around the windshield, which looks good. Going back to the driver's side, again chrome trim continues, the trim continues on the body side, and you also get the Continental patch and the Lincoln badge on the, I would say, C pillar. You also have the fuel pillar on the driver's side. Door handles are also detailed